In today's video, we will discuss about some points related to new employees, pros and cons with respect to customers, with respect to new employees, and with respect to management. If you are new to my channel, I will be discussing in this channel related to business, particularly like a pharma business. I work as a pharmacist. I worked in different industries over the past 20 years, and I share my experiences on various topics related to business, which are helpful from the customer point, from the employee standpoint, and from the management side. This will be helpful for you in your business growth and help you understand growth opportunities, find potential threats, and stabilize the business, particularly particularly pharma business, and also useful for other businesses too. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and watch the video fully and other videos also. One of my relative, she learned tailoring business recently, tailoring, and got a new customer, but the, she could not deliver the product properly, and the customer is dissatisfied. So I thought of recapping some point and my experiences related to new customers, their challenges, their importance, and their how to integrate them properly in the company. So these points we'll be discussing in this video. We'll be discussing mainly related to new employees with minimum experience or zero experience in this video, not about the senior employees. Of course, some points will be relevant to them also. A company hires employees with some expectations that they are going to deliver some uh, they are going to do some work which is relevant to the company, which is helpful for the company growth. Though management tells them what are the expectations and goals, but it is the new employee cannot grasp properly, and it takes time for them. What is the expectation from them? Once they enter the job role, start doing the work, face some challenges, do some things, or do some mistakes, and learn from them, guided properly, then only they start understanding what is the expectation from them, what they have to mold themselves, what they have to focus on. Management should help them understand, mold, and change and modify and improve the new employees' attitude, their attire, their discipline, focus on timings, leaves, related to leaves, working, communicating with others, with the customers, with the vendors, and with other colleagues and employees. Customer expects full value for money, so we cannot say he's a new employee, he or she is a new employee, so please adjust. So we have to train properly. Often many companies work on tight budgets and they don't have time to train the people, particularly in my medical field. So many people, I am working in a chain of pharmacy stores, so many people do leave, and we have to keep recruiting new people. So it's a big challenge to train properly, often because of tight budget resources management. So very few people, uh, the managers have very much less time to train the newcomers. They do a lot of mistakes. They need time to understand the working work, what are the work and roles and responsibilities expected from them. So it's a big challenging thing. Companies often don't have time to let the newcomers learn. It's a big problem. Uh, some people may not, after giving time also, they may not be able to learn and understand. So it's better leave them. It's not good for them or for the company. It's very important related to hiring and firing process. what are the rules, what are the violations, what we should do, what we should not do, what are the roles and responsibilities. So these all things have to be explained, guided, monitored, support for the new people. It's a constant learning process, and help them understand the growth opportunities, help them see that they mold themselves, train themselves. So they should be built that attitude of learning and growth mindset. That is the main challenge initially, and slowly they have to reduce their mistakes. They have to learn new things. That is, we have to provide proper guidance for them. Maybe it's a small role or bigger role. For any newcomer, it is the same rules. Dressing attire, maintaining the dress code, uh, male and female, neatly groomed, shaved, communicating with the customers properly, handling the computer, handling the stocks. We get stocks regularly, and we have to do audit regularly. So all these things have to be learned properly. Old employees also should interact with new people and make them comfortable, and help them and guide them, know what are the challenges they are facing, and provide proper solutions and guidance. It is very important. New employees do get feedback from customers and management and colleagues. It may be sometimes it may be harsh or negative, and positive things. So we have to help them, and they also should understand and take if it is a valuable thing, they have to modify and ignore if it is illogical and something which is irrelevant. Because some people, they just want to point out and show their superiority or show their ego. So just for ignore them and focus on the work and growth. Whether we like the job or not, if we have joined a company or a job role, so it is our responsibility, and we have to understand that we have to do the work properly, whether you like or not, and you have to learn and see that you do properly. It will help. This attitude will help in the long run. If you don't like really, or it's difficult, so better leave the company. It is good for you and for the company. So find a right position which is best for you. If you want to continue, means we have to learn where to adjust and work. Sometimes we have to work extra shift, extra hours of duty. So to what extent we can do, we have to do. So if it is becoming difficult, then we have to address it to the management. We have to have the phone numbers, mail numbers, contact. We have to learn to express. Don't be shy or don't be over rude. So learn to communicate properly, express the concerns. I'll ask any doubts. Whatever is taught to new people, they have to learn properly and note down if needed, and ask twice if it is needed until you master it and understand properly. Wherever you are, in which position you are, always common sense is very helpful. So use your common sense to decide and find people who help genuinely. There are always people who would help, and there will be people who don't want to help, also give wrong decisions also. So understand people, and different people, based on their situation, they will give different suggestions. We have to evaluate and follow and take the feedback, suggestion, guidance from other people. So these are the things in brief. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and share with other people whom you think this is helpful, related to business, related to growing your business, finding the employees, stabilizing the business, improving the business. So these are related to points I'll be discussing in my videos. If you like the video, please watch my other videos also, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.